Hi, and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I will introduce you to NordPass, a password manager by Nord Security, a company specializing in cybersecurity, also known for NordVPN. I've extensively tested this password manager, and here is my review. Firstly, what's NordPass exactly? Launched in 2019, NordPass positions itself as a practical and secure solution for efficiently managing your credentials on the web. This tool allows you to centralize, organize, and securely manage your passwords. The idea is that you no longer need to remember all your login credentials. NordPass saves and stores your passwords in a virtual vault, accessible only by you. This helps secure your confidential information and avoid the risks of account hacking and data theft. Let's get straight to the serious stuff: security. Unsurprisingly, NordPass emphasizes security and the protection of user data. The application uses the XChacha20 encryption algorithm, known for its robustness and reliability. With a 256-bit encryption key, it will be practically impossible for a hacker to decode your passwords. Furthermore, NordPass uses a zero-knowledge architecture, meaning only you have access to the information stored in your vault. Even the NordPass teams do not have access to your personal data. NordPass also integrates a data breach scanner, alerting you in case of data leaks on the dark web or elsewhere. Now let's talk about the interface. NordPass stands out with its intuitive and easy-to-use interface. The desktop application categorizes data into different tabs: passwords, passkeys, secure notes, credit cards, personal info. You can manually add your credentials or use the import feature to quickly transfer your passwords from another manager or web browser such as Google Chrome, for example. NordPass also offers a highly secure password generator, allowing you to create random and personalized combinations based on the requirements of each website. So, how does NordPass work? As I explained earlier, NordPass centrally stores passwords and other sensitive information. This password manager also automatically fills in login fields with your credentials on each website. Let's take an example. I previously saved my Amazon credentials in NordPass. If I need to log into my account, I just need to press this icon on the Amazon login page. NordPass will then automatically fill in the login fields with my credentials. This tool can also save login combinations when you log in or create a new account. This greatly simplifies password management while ensuring their security without having to remember or write them down. Passwords are encrypted and stored in the cloud for access anytime and from any device. When setting up NordPass, a master password is chosen to control access to the service's features and all the stored credentials. As you might expect, NordPass is available on multiple platforms, making it a versatile tool accessible to everyone. You can download the app on Windows, macOS, and Linux for use on a computer, as well as on Android and iOS for mobile use. NordPass also offers extensions for Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Opera, and Safari browsers, making it easy to integrate the tool into your daily browsing, to automatically fill in login fields with your credentials, as we saw earlier. Now let's talk about the price and the different available subscriptions. Good news, NordPass offers a free version, which includes many essential features, such as autosave and autofill, store passwords, passkeys, credit cards, and other basic features, like the password generator, for example. This free version can be used permanently without commitment. If you're not currently using any password manager, I highly recommend downloading NordPass. NordPass also offers two paid plans: Premium and Family. The Premium plan provides access to all NordPass features, including those available in the free version, as well as the ability to stay logged in when switching devices, the detection of weak, reused passwords, the data breach scanner, the ability to attach files to items, the ability to mask your email address, and much more. Premium subscription prices vary depending on the commitment duration, ranging from $1.99 per month for an annual subscription to $1.49 per month for a 2-year commitment. The Family plan allows sharing NordPass with up to 6 users. Here too, subscription prices vary depending on the commitment duration, ranging from $3.69 per month for an annual subscription to $2.79 per month for a 2-year commitment. Affordable paid plans providing access to very useful advanced features if you are concerned about your online security. Now let's get to the verdict. For me, NordPass stands out as one of the very best password managers currently available. Thanks to its intuitive interface, enhanced security and advanced features, NordPass offers a comprehensive and reliable solution for efficiently managing your passwords and other personal data. Whether you're a beginner or professional user, NordPass will meet your password management needs. With competitive pricing and a free version that can be used permanently, NordPass caters to all users, regardless of their budgets or requirements. To try it out, visit vpn-club.com/NordPass to take advantage of a special offer, up to 50% off on the premium plan and up to 53% off on the family plan. That's it for today. You now know a bit more about NordPass, the password manager from Nord Security. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below and I will respond as soon as possible. If you enjoyed this video, if you found it useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel and hit the notifications button. Thanks and see you next time.